We are now going to present unsay nahitabo. This first started sa 6th District, and we call on Engineer Francis Antonio Flores of, ikaw mo imo present? Kahilakon magay kagagabi. Who will present? No, it's pataka. It is our district engineer of the 6th District. Engineer Gomer.
Maayong hapon, Gob.
Maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon, Sugbo. I am Gomer Castillo. I am the newly assigned District Engineer of Cebu 6. I came from the Secure District Engineering Office. I assume my position at Cebu 6 last January 18, 2024. And with me is my DPWH family, headed by Director Gregorio John. During our first meeting with the Governor, and that was my first time here in Capitol since I was assigned in Bohol, in Siquijor. Then this is my first year, no? I understand the sentiment and concern of Governor Win and love for the Cebuanos regarding aning mga inconvenience sa ato ang road projects. But then, Gob, I will focus only in my jurisdiction sa Cebu 6 because we have different situations and concerns sa amuang tagsa-tagsa ka-district under Region 7. Now, I also ask permission before I proceed with my RD to allow me to proceed with the presentation. Sir, can I proceed? Thank you. To start, I would like to tackle the FY 2023 GAA, which was advertised and implemented last year under Gonzalodo Construction. This has a length of 1.517 kilometers. Now, part of it na yung mga remaining 127 meters nga akong naabtan. Then, Engineer Anjo Gonzalodo, niadto sa akong opisina, nga moadto mi sa ni Governor Gwen to present the work schedule and the unsaon ang sistema nga dili ma-traffic.
May I just interject here? Ni ari gyud una si Engineer Anjo Gonzalodo kay he is very much aware of this ordinance nga nahibaw siya nga kinanglan pasabton gyud usa diri. Ug maayo na lang, salamat kaayo kay ato ning nalingkuran nakakita tag solusyon. Please, Engineer Gomer.
Yes, Gob. Then it was agreed nga ako sang kuan ang Gob akong tan-awon ang i-scrutinize pa nako ang mga papilis o mada pa ba. Nangayo kog 3 days nimo Gob ato nga time para matanaw nako. Then I instructed my planning engineer to research the legality nga di mo violate sa guidelines sa among department.
Unsa may atong gi-suggest? Supposed to be 127 meters ang kalkalo na pod na simento. Naibawta diha nga tanan nga kanang sa Konsolasyon. That's 1.2 or 1.4 kilometers. 22 o 24 na ka-intersections. Mo na grabe ka yung traffic diha. Mo na namutang taog barikada. Duha or tulura ang pwede maka diretso or left turn. All others mo U-turn. Right turn only ta. Ang ila unta nga gubon kung asa mo U-turn ang mga sakyanan. Can you imagine mo samot o ka-stack up ang traffic? Now, pag addahan nila, nangutana ko, guba ba ang daan? Wala. Pero, central office man kuno mo ingon, nana sila MRI, kana bitang, may pa kay, kita wa tayo MRI sa atong provincial, pero naana sila makakiba, kita sila nga, na-cracks, kanang di nato kitaan to silang. So I said, di man yun na, wa may failure, ana. Nanong di man na ninyo i-overlay. Kaya kanang asfalto, the high viscosity level of that asphalt, mao na ang makatabon sa kung unsa man ang mga cracks nga nasa ilang. In fact, gamiton magana ninyo asphalting between blocks. O sige, padayon, engineer.
Is Gob, no? Actually kanang 1.517 mao nagingon ni Gob nga concreting projects na namo. Now na remaining 127 nga another sumpay para mahuman. But then ay problema gi kuan ni Gob gi paabot sa moa. Then I understand nga sakto pod. But I make sure also nga ako klaro nga di mi mo violate sa amo ang department regulation ng mga guidelines na mo. So also with the COA nga mga implementing rules and regulation, that's why I instructed my planning engineers and the construction to research and verify the status of this project. So it was found out that this project na ay remaining 5% kanang 127 meters. So why uptake 3 days akong ipatawag anjo ina si Gob nga okay na ta sa asphalting. But before that we also consulted the central office Gob para makuan gyud nga klaro ba ang amo ang paghimo sa variation. So
gihimo ang variation order.
yes
O
Gob.
tungod sa variation order na human na usara ka gabi 2 days lang actually giscarify usa gitangtang ang tanan asfalto gibutang na napunan pa nag sidewalk later on butangan pa gyud nag pavement markers punan pa gyud nag solar lights all within the budget nga nahabilin.
Yes Gob.
Pero kung gikonkreto na mag-stack up ta diag 2 ka semana, why solar lights, why sidewalk, ang economic losses to the province of Cebu, pila ka hundreds of millions, pila may mga late sa trabaho. Daghan gyud kaayo ang mag-antos. Kanina human ni og 2 ka gabi, usa ka gabi. Okay.
3 days 3 nights Gob.
So napuno. Napuno kay ni trabaho man ang Saludo gabi na 12 midnight up to kadlawon. Ang napuno isulti na lang solar lights unsa pa.
Okay, solar lights and solar studs.
Sige, is there another slide? Can you go on?
Atong
Go
pavement
on.
markings.
Oh, muna nagtrabaho. Go on.
Oh. Okay. So that's
Padayon.
it. So nahuman jud nato without any inconvenience sa ato ang mga traveling public.
Now
May
because
time
of
man ta.
this, I am very happy that the DPWH supports our move. We are spending so much. Sige tagguba sa simento. Ang tanan mga maayo pa man to. Ganong giguba naman sa to. When it is just a matter of changing your mindset. Na ang magitay budget, then let us use this to enhance, to upgrade. Redefine what upgrading is. Let us upgrade. Let us level up because this is the province of Cebu. Kitay mag-una that can be adopted nationwide. We will be able to use public funds prudently, effectively, efficiently. May we ask R.D. Gregorio Napa? Please confirm, just a few words lang naman, because he is in support of our move to change, where applicable, the concreting projects to asphalt overlay. May we hear from you, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confirming po yung pinag-usapan natin yesterday.
That
Yun pong mga project, all our project for preventive maintenance can be...
or even construction
Yes, ma'am. Preventive maintenance,
and
ma'am.
upgrading.
Yeah, upgrading.
Upgrading.
Even upgrading, ma'am. Even upgrading.
Opo. I just send you my consultancy fee.
Sabi?
Okay, does that set... does that
Pro
set...
bono, ma'am. Pro bono.
Pro bono.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Does that set your mind at ease, mga mayors? Ha? At least in the province, mao na niya atong direction. Okay? Salamat kaayo. This all started with the 6th Engineering District because Engineer Gomer, coming from Siquijor, was very open to the suggestion of converting from concreting to overlay. Let us